Take a trip to a strange and wonderful place April 20th and 21st with the Eastern Shore Ballet Theater's spring production of its new ballet, Alice in Wonderland. Alice in Wonderland is a timeless classic and a favorite for adults and children of all ages. The story follows the adventures of a young girl named Alice who follows an elegantly dressed white rabbit down a rabbit hole into a magical wonderland. Alice encounters many strange and wonderful things there, including a tiny door, a sea of her own tears, an exotic caterpillar, dancing mushrooms and bumblebees and flowers, tumbling cards, memorable characters, a tea party, and the silliest game of croquet any little girl has ever seen. Alice in Wonderland will be on stage at the Wicomico High School Auditorium Saturday, April 20th at 2 p.m. and 7 p.m. and Sunday, April 21st at 2 p.m. Tickets are $15 for adults, $12 for students and seniors, and $50 for a family of 4. Tickets are available at Danceware Etc., Bank of Delmarva, and the office of the Salisbury Wicomico Arts Council. Phone orders will be taken at 443-358-2300. For more information, please visit www.esbt.org or look for us on Facebook. See you at the ballet for Alice in Wonderland.